welcome back to my channel. This is a fire engine. His hose can go up and down. It can go sideways. The siren can ring. One is police and one is fire engine. It can go up and down. His ladder can get longer, and this can go up and down, and it can launch real water. Just so you can see. The water is coming, look. Real water. And there's even a black tank over here. See it? That's a tank where it puts in the water and it will launch it. And it can even move, just like this. And it has stickers on it in 48. And there's a pipe sticker here. And it can launch even sirens too and water. And this is the pipe where the water will come. See this pipe? And when I pull this, you will see the water coming. See? And if you want to make it higher, it can launch it higher too. See? And then, if you want to make it even higher, use this thing to launch it. See, even higher. I'm gonna put out that fire. See, it's put out it. See, I put out the fire, but I still the smoke, so I need to make that disappear too. See, the smoke hasn't disappeared. And now, it can go high, super high. Not just that high. And this ladder can go long. And this, and it can make a rain out of it. It's going to lights, little lights out of water. And see those? I'm watching the climate too. That's nice to know. And if you like this video, you can subscribe and drop a red in the comment.